So now let's see how we can utilize the scatter effect inside of Corel Draw. So in order to work ahead with the scatter effect, first of all, you need to select out this image right here, and then you need to go around under effects. Then what you need to do is you need to go around over here under the creative section, and here you can see that scatter is an effect. So once you go ahead and choose that, you can see that it looks as if you're looking through a clear glass. You can go ahead and change around the horizontal and the vertical scatter level right here. So by default, you can see that it is actually linked out together, meaning the size of the horizontal and vertical dots actually goes ahead and scatters at a similar rate. But what I can actually do is I can unlock this and change around the horizontal scatter level right here, just like this as well, and just the vertical as well, to get a kind of this effect as well. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize the scatter effect inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.